Hello and welcome to this technique lesson. Today I'm going to be teaching you about brushing your feet in the cha-cha. This is a very important thing for you to do if you want your cha-cha to look good. And I'm going to try something a little different today to start off. I'm going to show you two versions of me dancing the cha-cha basic steps, and I want you to figure out at home which version is the correct one, which one is done technically correct. Yeah? And then after that I'll have a close-up of my feet and I'll explain exactly what I'm doing and what makes that difference, and that is brushing the feet. Okay, let's get started. So did you figure out which version was the correct one? It was version number 1. Yeah, I was bringing my feet in every single time. I was brushing them together before making a new step. That made my steps look precise and clean. In version number 2, however, I did not brush my feet. I was very sloppy, I looked very stiff, and I had a lot of space between my feet. And that's not something you want to do. Yeah, so let me explain a little bit more about what it means to really brush your feet. And I'm going to zoom in into some basic steps right now and show you exactly what to do and what not to do. Okay, let's now look at the side basic step, and we're going to start with the right way first. So you see I step to the side, I brush my foot, and again I brush over there. You can see I'm always bringing my leg to the other leg before I make a new step. And that makes me very precise and very clean. Now let's look at the wrong way to do this. This is what you don't want to do. I'm going to step to the side and then I go back without bringing my leg in. So you can see I have tons of space between my feet, and it makes me look very sloppy and stiff actually as well. Let's take another look at the progressive basic step. This is the right way. You can see I hardly have any space between my legs and feet when I'm stepping forward and back. And let's do it the wrong way. You can see I have a lot of space between my feet as I'm stepping across. You can fit a whole train in there, as one of my teachers used to say. That's really wrong. And let's look at the spot turn now. See, I'm going to brush as I'm turning, and the turn looks really nice. Now let's look at the wrong way. I have a lot of space again here, and then my turn looks very clumsy here because I'm not brushing. Now a little exercise for the spot turn. You can try this at home on your own. Just pivot on one foot and bring the other leg in, and that's your brushing action. Then you can step forward, pivot, step again, and then again you're going to have to brush. Yeah, you need to brush and collect before you step to the side. And then you can step to the side. I hope you can see how important it is to brush your feet in the cha-cha and what a big difference it makes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as best as I can. Thank you very much for joining me.